Being a creator can sometimes feel very lonely. People don't seem to understand. Why are you doing this? Why are you spending so much time, money, effort on making these things? Especially when there's no or little results. Why bother? And they don't seem to understand that it's not about the results. It's about the creating. Creating itself is the goal. You just want to be able to go places, experience things, and be able to tell the story. Be able to tell your story. And that's why it's so great when you are able to connect with other creators, because they do understand. And I think that is what makes this day so special for me, because I was able to link up with another creator, go out there and create something together, which means you motivate each other. You go for the extra shot and you go on that extra little adventure that otherwise you might have said no to. And of course, it's easy to say these things in an epic location like this on a beautiful day, but I think the same is true for the more mundane things. I feel very lucky having been able to connect with some other creators about a year ago and now meet up weekly with them to discuss all things creating, which makes you no longer feel alone in this creator business. We get together and brainstorm new video ideas, thumbnails, titles, whatever it can be. And of course, it feels extra special to be able to link up with these creators in person and create something together, even though we live all across Europe. So whether you're just starting out on your creator journey or you've been creating for years, I encourage you to go out there and connect with some other creators and create something together.